Bahcivan Cheese Company boasts with its team of experts professionally using state-of-the-art technology to manufacture the best and the most innovative high-quality products in our factory. Built in 1992 in Lüleburgaz, Kırklareli, with 44,000 metre squared outdoor and 20,000 metre square indoor capacity. In our factory, we manufacture industrial products like cheese, butter and whey powder, all of which bear our expertise and proven quality. As Bahcivan Cheese Company, we have BRC Food Safety, Halal Production and Global Food Safety certificates. We sell our products not only domestically, but also to more than 30 countries over 4 continents, including Europe and America. We therefore occupy the #1 position amongst companies that export milk and dairy products. While we manufacture our products in our factory for your own sake, we also care about the environment and the earth. Therefore, we carry out sustainability projects with utmost attention, such as farmer support projects, electricity production facility that reduces carbon footprint, using the heat of exhaust fumes for heating water, and utilising waste heat with boiler economisers. The average daily milk input of our factory is 500 tonnes. We collect this milk with utmost care, and our experienced team of quality experts test it in a hygienic area that is convenient for food safety. We produce 3,000 tonnes of products monthly in a controlled fashion. Thanks to our automation system, we keep the processing of milk under control, thus preventing the contamination that can occur from milking to selling of product. Using modern methods, we obtain hygienic and traditionally manufactured products. We follow the cold chain rules to deliver our delicious cheese to the consumers. Innovative products like lactose-free and probiotic cheese, developed by our experienced R&D teams every year, are delivered to your tables considering you and your beloved ones. As a pioneer brand, we lead the market in the cheese category with these innovations. We have been producing natural, healthy and most delicious cheese products for over half a century for you. We join your tables as your guests and work very hard to offer you innovative, best quality products. From past to future, we exist with you and for you. Bahcivan Food Company.